Hello and welcome to Math 141, Introductory Statistics. I am Matt Vespa. I will be your instructor for the semester. You can see from my sweatshirt, I'm a Southern Illinois alumnus. My Master of Math is from Carbondale, and my Master's in Mechanical Engineering is from Southern Illinois, Edwardsville. I was born and raised in Central Illinois. I'm alumnus of Lincoln Land, but still a little bit of a Southern Illinois boy at heart. And I'm a rock climber too, so gorgeous sandstone down there if you've ever been down. If you haven't, I recommend going. It's a pretty wonderful place. Anyway, you'll note that I don't have a PhD, so please don't call me doctor. Master Vespa will do just fine. Get it? It's a joke. Anyway, no, never mind. You'll notice the interesting alphabet on the wall behind me. My wife, in her spare time, actually teaches English to young Chinese children, which I think is pretty cool. So anyway, you're welcome to my home office. You've obviously made it to your Blackboard course. So you're on the course overview tab. I'd like you to look over everything on here pretty carefully. Among the things on here is a video on how to register for my math lab through Blackboard. You do not need a course ID. I repeat, you do not need a course ID. I repeat it because every semester, inevitably, about 5 people email me demanding a course ID, and I assure you, you don't need one. In fact, there's a video right below this on how to register through Blackboard, and that'll walk you right through it, and you'll be all hooked up. So get registered for my math lab as soon as you can so you can get working. Please review the content in Blackboard, right? So I post a lot of stuff in Blackboard to help guide you. Among those things are suggested videos from Professor Leonard out of California. He's got a video series on a curriculum that follows along with ours very, very closely. So I highly recommend those. They're much more entertaining than the publisher videos. But be aware, he also does almost everything by hand with the tables. And I emphasize using technology, so using StatCrunch or your TI 8384 to find probabilities and measures of center and dispersion and such. So please be watching the videos in our Blackboard course that walk you through how to use technology for those things, okay? If you don't have a TI 8384, don't go out and buy one. Use StatCrunch. In fact, if you have one, I even still recommend using StatCrunch. So be aware of that. Please watch those videos on how to learn StatCrunch, and it'll make the semester much easier on you. Please also review your syllabus thoroughly. Look over the email etiquette. Look through the homework and the test section. Those will show you the policies on due dates and what late policies look like, etc. I'm going to enforce those strictly this semester in the course of fairness, okay, or in the interest of fairness. So please look over those and be familiar with them. If you need help, please email me, guys. Don't put it off. Just shoot me an email. I usually respond with videos because, let's be honest, math speak can be difficult, and there's no need to make a difficult thing more difficult, right? So I'm not going to write big paragraphs back to you in email, but I need you to start by being specific with your questions, okay? So very vague questions like, I don't understand section 5.5. That's very difficult to respond to because I don't know what parts you don't get. I can't just send another lecture via email, right? That doesn't work. So refer me to a homework problem. Tell me, this is what I did, this is why I did it. And that's going to give me an awesome jumping off point for helping you, because I'll be able to say, hey, that's great because it was right. Or we went wrong here because this really needs to be this, or our understanding of this is actually this way, right? So I need specific content questions from you in order to help you thoroughly. And then, like I said, I'm probably going to send a video back to you. So you're not going to have to read a big paragraph of math. You're going to watch me walk you through the problem and talk to you about why we did what we did. Okay? So use me. I also do Math Center hours. I also have my office hours. So refer to the syllabus for those and use them, right? If you really need help and you can't make those office hours, shoot me an email and we'll do our very best to set up a time when we can sit down and work together. Okay? So I wish you the best of luck. There's lots of content in Blackboard. Please use it, right? Don't just skip to my math lab every time. In the homework, don't rely fully on the helps because come test time, that's not going to work very well. All right? So learn the material, use me when you need help, and you'll be good. Take care.